Welcome back, brewskis. I got a quick one for you today. I'm gonna show you how to power shift. If you want to spank somebody on the highway and show him who's the king of the jungle and you don't have a quick shifter, all you do is you keep the throttle wide open, bandofla, put the metal to the pedal, and then you hit the clutch and you shift. Because every time you let go of the gas, you pull on the clutch and you shift, you slow down, it takes time. But with this method, you keep the RPMs up and you're gonna feel when you shift, it's like boom, it pulls you. So full throttle, never let go of the throttle, you press a clutch and you shift. Man, we got some policia action here. I gotta regroup. Alright, let me try this again here. Hopefully there's no popo action. There he is, I'm back. And that's how you power shift. I wanted to get a quick shifter, but I'm like, why spend $300, $400? I don't like street race or anything. Sometimes, yeah, I want to pass somebody and, you know, show him who's the king of the jungle. Well, I just use this method right here. It works perfect. And that makes the bike sound nasty too. It sounds like a MotoGP bike. For some people, it might feel weird the first couple of times when you do this because you're so used to let go of the gas and pull the clutch in. But just give it a few shots. Oh, we got some cow action. Give it a couple of tries and you're gonna do it. Okay, that's all I got for you guys today. And you know the drill. I'll see you in the next one.